Hi guys, Noah here and welcome to part 2. Whenever we left off on part 1, we got left off with this. Noah's Tutorials head was up there and we have this. Today we are going to hopefully get enough time to make the pages down here. There's going to be a little gradient light blue bar down here with pages, and there is going to be a little bit of content down here. You may be wondering why I've been choosing blue a lot. It's just my favorite color. You can just choose whatever the crap you want, but just put this is going to be the blue bar up here, and there's going to be content down here. So we're just going to go ahead and get started with the blue bar. I've already went to paint and I've already shaped out the bar. You want to make this about like this and make it longer over here. But I'm just going to go ahead and save that as untitled, because I'm not going to go ahead and change it because there's no really use in doing it, because I'm just going to change it after I get through editing it. So I'm just going to go to save. I saved it on the desktop. Right click on the picture, go to open with. If you have Windows 7, this probably works on Windows Vista 2 and possibly Windows XP. Go ahead and open it with the program of your choice. If you have Paint, open it with that. If you have Paint.net, open it with that. If you have the program, it should pop up right here somewhere, but I have Print Shop Pro 2 X2. If you have that program, just open that up. Just wait for that to load, and then we'll get started with the editing of the photo. Okay, you want to make that full screen, and then you want to click on the paint bucket, and you want to just leave it at that gradient. Just leave it at that, and then go. I'm getting ahead of myself. Color that with a paint bucket, and then go to Effects. Go to where did I see it? Hang on a second, guys. Brightness and contrast. Go to brightness and contrast. You want to take that brightness to a 20, and leave the contrast at a 35. So just go ahead and click OK, and then go ahead and save that. Hang on, guys. Yes, go ahead and save that. It's gonna leave a Corel Auto preserve right there. Just go ahead and just delete that. Okay, now you want to rename the image. I'm just gonna name it Pages, and this is a PNG file, so you'll know what to do. So I'm just gonna go back to context. I'm just gonna go ahead and add another center tag right here. I'm going to go ahead and type in the image source code, images/pages.png. Click save. And just in case it is a little bit too big, just type in width equals 100%. Click save. Whenever you refresh the page, it should pop up on the bottom, but that's not what we're really aiming for. Sorry, I kind of messed up on it. I'm sorry, guys, but you want to go to you want to make a table. Just delete the other code I put. Just make a table. TD table. Now let me explain this. This is a table. This is the TD tags are for what's going to be on the table. It's going to be on top of the background. Just go to table and then type in background equals images/pages.png. Alright. Now the background will be images/pages.png. Now you want to make the width of the table 100%, and then you want to make the height of the table, let's say 20. I may be wrong because you have to basically estimate the height of the table, but Okay, I almost had that right. Just make that a 25 and we'll see what that does. Alright, 25 seems to do really good. The reason why I created a table is because whenever you type in words in the between the TD tags, the words will appear inside the table. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make some links for this. You want to change the font. This is the code for the font. The color of the font will be possibly white, and you want to end the font tag. The font face means you get to choose a font. Like, say I'm just gonna choose Arial. You can choose Courier New or Comic Sans or something like that. And the color of this font is going to be yellow. And then this code right here I'm typing at the moment is called the size. H2 is basically big. H1 is the highest it'll go, and I think H6 I believe will be the smallest the text will go, but H1 is big text, H6 is the smallest thing of text you will have. But I'm just gonna go ahead and type in something, let's not make that H2, let's just make this H4. And this is for the link, ahref equals, you want to end the A tags, then href, we put, if you, the text you're supposed to put in between these two tags is the, say you have index.html and you create a new page called home.html, then you want to put home.html in here, but we're not going to go off creating the pages yet. We're just going to create the links of the pages. This one is going to be home. I'm going to go ahead and make another link. This one is going to be tutorials. No, let's just make this one videos. Make this one downloads. Make this one contact us. And possibly make this one about us. Okay, I might not have spelled those right, but, you know, just save that and go back to the page and refresh it. You can see that got a little big. So the thing you want to do is you would want to go to the font size and change it to H5. You want to refresh the page. That's as good as it's probably going to get. You can make it a little bit bigger, but that's how it's supposed to work. And you can see that it didn't affect the link color. Well, I'm just going to go ahead and just change that. It will affect the link color if I do this. Font color, and then you want to go over here and end the font color. I'm not sure if this worked or not, but we're just gonna see. Type in yellow for the font color, click save, then refresh the page. See, you can see that it only made one that same, so you're just gonna have to just leave the font tag here, go at the end of here in that font tag, go to the end of here in that font tag. Sorry, I'm actually planning this at the top of my head. I didn't even try to practice. I just decided just to do this tutorial a little bit ago, but you want to end that font tag, font color equals yellow. You can actually highlight all of this, go to copy, then you can paste it here, 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 and here. Save that, and then refresh, and all the links should be yellow color. Now, let me see how much time I've been doing this. Okay, that is the end of this tutorial part 2. I'm sorry that I kind of took up some time. I'm going to try not to do that in the next tutorial. This may be taking longer than I thought, but hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and please rate, comment, and subscribe.